Tesla Motors, the electric car company run by billionaire Elon Musk, is about to push the boundary of driverless cars that regular people can own. With a software download, a Model S electric car will be able to handle most of the driving on highways, whether at high speed or in stop-and-go traffic. While other automakers are preparing similar efforts and have automated some functions in the car, Tesla's Model S will be the first to go this far. Using an array of ultrasonic sensors that can shoot out radio waves, bounce off other vehicles and objects and see where they are, and a windshield-mounted camera, the Model S is designed to keep you in your highway lane and prevent you from running into other vehicles. The car can even change lanes by pulling a lane-changing stalk. It will even be able to fully parallel park itself on city streets. On a recent day, I was able to test drive a Model S on the highways around Detroit that had an early download of this software. One limitation is that the Model S requires the driver to be in a spot where there are clear lane markings. Otherwise, the system won't engage. When it does, you can take your hands off the wheel and feet off the pedals. However, in a nod to regulators, the car makes you put your hands back on the wheel every so often, or it will start to slow down and bleat at the driver with a warning bell. During my test drive, the system worked well in following the lanes and taking curves. It had one small issue where the interstate split off to the right for an exit, and the car began to take the exit rather than stay in the right lane. Mostly it operated well in moderate traffic around the city. Tesla says it will continue to add functions and work out any bugs through further updates.